This video is made adult collectors for age 30+. Viewer description is advised. What's up guys, it is your boy Michael here. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the new McDonald's Happy Meal Uno X anime crossover. So today this will be the title anime Spy X Family, but I don't have anything that this is called the Uno Flip. This is they also My Hero Academia, or also known as Boku no Hero Academia in the Japanese version. So this is new. I watched the Spy X Family in the last year or whatever. So I really don't know how much the Anya yarn or Yoru is that whatever this is. Roido is Bondo. Second images of the Anya is just render. This is pretty good. I don't want it. This one, it's called Uno Flip. The title. When this is an anime, it's like a Happy Meal in the Philippines, Southeast Asia. So I'm good. This is by the developers of Metal Games, who is the creator of Uno, Barbie, whatever. This is action figures for this one. So okay, if you don't like this video, smash the like, subscribe button, notification bell so to notify for the latest videos, and let's get open it. So when I get this is opening, this is my first time in the Happy Meal in the anime crossover in this one, but I don't have any actually this one there. So we're gonna take a look. I don't really know. Well, a secret reveal will be later there. So I'm gonna oh my god, what is this? I never seen like this before. Look at this. In the Philippines version, so this instruction manual is called Uno Flip. It looks like the Uno franchise there, and you guys see instruction manual. And it looks pretty nice. Wow, I can't believe this. I'm so nervous. Alright, let's take a look. Uno Flip. This. What is this? Oh, okay. Let me see. Let me see. Do that. Okay. Alright. So next one with you got the scan to play Uno online. You can McDonald's, this one, the Uno Flip Spy X Family. You can play it as friends, wherever the one. There's Anya images there. And this guy, sunglasses guy. Oh, you guys see this guy, Bondo family. This is Bond, a dog family. Oh wow, oh my goodness. And you guys see the nameless girl or whatever. This one here. The yarn, Yoru Voltage. And this one, this girl, the Anya here, and back with this girl. Oh, this one here again. What about that? Oh, another one. This and one images. Roido. That you gotta flip. This called Flip. But I really haven't seen that, and I never did this. Like Naruto, My Hero Academia, and Spy X Family. You guys see this going. This. Oh, that. Well, I need Damia. Where's Damia? I need Roy. This one. This Roy here. The little kid, that's Roy. I don't know what actually looks like. Pretty cool. His images, but this girl, his friends of Anya, whatever this is, the name is. So look at the truck. This one, I don't have any actually. It really look like that. And yarn. Here's this one there. Oh, we got Damien here. He name is Damien, whatever this. Okay, so oh my god, we got Uno Flip Roy. This one. Oh, I got Roy here, and a Bond is back on the flip. Back to the flip, boys. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna pick it up. We got on that. Another this one, Anya. This one, Roy, and the daughter and father, whatever. And another guy. Oh, this sunglasses, a guy with friends of Roy. I'm so Bond. There's another Bond here. Whatever. I'm this. Oh yeah, there's another one. We got the Anya. Well, what about this is Anya? Another Anya here. We got this one. Void. This Void. Oh my god. Wow, look at this. So many images to us. I've never seen like this before. This anime card game, and in this card game, this one designed a Bond, another the fat kids, whatever, and this Anya, this girl, it's friends, Bond, another this one, new images that are coming up is this one here, the back of the bond, the flip the flip, and whatever this is the Anya, that is for yarn, this called yarn. As we got see nothing but the another one. We got bond again. We got the whoa, no, maybe second. Right, this oh, we got yarn and right yarn. This was my favorite. And we got sister of yarn. Whatever this is. I don't have anything, just with Philippines only. I don't have the anything times the way we substitute this when I'm watching the anime in the series. And this wonder what the oh my god, what have you done to them? Oh my goodness. Oh, another one, and there's another one there. Upstairs, oh, that's a bond there. There's a bond with the dog. Oh, we got Roy, and then Bond. His name is Bond, the dog. Oh, the new image is with. Oh, that's my beautiful yarn. It's the husband of. Wow, it's Anya. Another one. They call Uno Flip. They call the Uno Flip. Why is it? Oh, another yarn. That's perfect. Wow, why is he doing this happening? Okay, there's the Anya. Oh, another color background. You gotta see the Bond here. And we got this, the sister, brothers of yarn. Wow, this is gift of Roy. This gift box. I mean, this one. Another Bond here. I mean, this was typically the series that this position. So I got this, but there are many cards. How many is that? I don't know what. Okay, that's Anya. That's Roy. Roy and the kid. The kid. Those are so really stupid. Wow, I can't believe this is really damn sure this is all beginning. Oh, holy cow, what a greatness. This is the greatest crossover you have ever seen in the Happy Meals toys review. This is a box unboxing or review. Alright, whatever, this is Anya. Oh, another one. Oh, and oh wow. Oh wow, oh shoot, we got Anya. Another Anya here. What do we got under Anya? This picture, this render, the art style is like this one there by Wheat Studio. Clover Works, and this is one. Oh, we got back with another Void, and then oh, we got the Master Edition. We got this special edition. Wow, this Anya unboxing with this gift one. This birthday gift card. So I don't know what it is, and this image is so good. Anyways, so I got the back end here, and so Anya is targetly. The only problem is nothing. No 5. I don't have any 5 collectibles and starter pack with Uno cards for My Hero Academia or whatever this one. So I'm gonna give this the coolest anime Happy Meal you have ever seen. They call them Happy Meal toys. They don't know how. I don't have it. I was a kid. Now this is the plain like all the this is another culture. So when you give it back for the order the seat. I was there. They never try for this one on this one. So I'm gonna try to keep this instruction manual. The Uno Flip by 7 plus only for the kids. The kids are so good. I'm gonna find we got manuals of it, and we got this see the like Uno cards like the friends or whatever this is called. I'm tired. This is the really and this one the many so otherwise. So I'm gonna give it this one a Happy Meal of McDonald's of Uno X anime and the crossover in the Philippines or Southeast Asia or whatever's missing Naruto or whatever this called this is. So I'm gonna keep it at this. I want to keep it this. So I'm so sorry about this the quick and this will. Anyways, keep it back away. And we're gonna see there's nothing here. Okay. So I'm gonna give you I'm gonna keep this away. Alright, okay, so I'm gonna give this one here I'm gonna give you from the McDonald's Happy Meal Uno X anime or Spy X family. Just give it a 8.5 out of 10. It was so great for this trading card game. It was the friends here. This one what's another point that means I was not angry that this real issues. This one, this at this point, and I'm watching anime for Spy X Family over times. This one completely is not a failure over there. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching me this video. Leave it a like it and subscribe to my channel, notification bells for the notified for the latest videos for our social medias. And you know what we're talking about is I'm really hope to see you, and I'm gonna order another game for the next 25 or the March 25. We'll maybe see you that. We'll be next one of Blockies, Transformers, Talking to the Moon, Bumblebee, or whatsoever. And I want to buy for the shopping in the Philippines there. And anyway, guys, any available in the Philippines and Southeast Asia, they another Happy Meal crossover with this one there. Anyway, started up with the My Hero Academia and Spy X Family. There's no way for the Naruto over this one here. And anime fans. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. For the see you there on my next video. Bye. Peace.